Dear student, welcome back to our NIV's home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Today I will discuss creative question 1 from chapter 2. So student, let's get started our class. Student, have a look on the board. It is your home science class, creative question 1, chapter 2, lecture 7. Today there is no homework, and it is for your half yearly examination, and it is my name and mobile number. Now class 6 subject home science, topic creative question 1, chapter 2. Number 1, here this is your stamp. You have to write down these 4 questions, okay, based on this stamp. Shahana lives along with her family in a semi-constructed house located at the center of multi-story building. Surrounding of her house courtyard are covered with shrubs and bushes. Overflow of open drain water has appeared the courtyard and caused disturbances of various insects such as flies and mosquitoes within the house. So at first you have to read this stamp very carefully and attentively, then write your answer, okay, based on this topic. Question answer A. Question: what is the disease caused and spread by Aedes mosquitoes? Answer of this question is dengue is the disease caused and spread by Aedes mosquitoes. Number B. What is mean by yearly cleaning? Okay, number B answer: the cleaning activities that are done at home once a year are called yearly cleaning. So what is mean by yearly cleaning? The cleaning activities that are done at home once a year are called yearly cleaning. That means that we are performed at home once in a year. Now here are given some examples of yearly cleaning. Now, what are they? Painting furniture, home in a renovation, whitewash, putting the seasonal clothes, quilts, mattresses, rugs, etc. kept enclosed in the almirah out in the sunlight, etc. are categorized as yearly cleaning activities. Number C. What type of cleaning is lacking in Shahana's house? Explained. Answer: the given stamp indicates that there is a lack of cleanliness at the external premises of Shahana's house. So Shahana's external premises are uncleaned. Okay, the courtyard of Shahana's house is covered with shrubs and bushes, so enough sunlight and air cannot come in the house. Also, the overflowing of water of the drain enters into the premises. It pollutes the environment, and the stagnated water also acts as a breeding ground for mosquitoes and flies. In such an environment, people are affected by various diseases like malaria, typhoid, dengue fever, etc. So the outer premises of the house must also be clean. Number D. House environment of Shahana is actually an obstacle to ensure good health. Write clearly. So you have to explain house environment of Shahana is actually an obstacle to ensure good health. In this given stamp, the house environment of Shahana is actually an obstacle to ensure good health. The courtyard of her house is covered with shrubs and bushes. Also, the overflowing water of the drain enters into the house. Such environment is polluted, damp, and a breeding ground for mosquitoes and flies. In an unhealthy environment, people may be affected by many diseases like dengue fever, malaria, typhoid, etc. We know that the sound body and mental satisfaction of a person depend on the cleanliness of his or her home environment. However, there is a lack of cleanliness at the external premises of Shahana's house. Thus, it can be said that the environment at Shahana's house is an obstacle to good health. So students, that's all for today. There is no homework today, okay, but you have to learn your creative question at home. If you want, you can make your own answer, no problem. So students, that's all for today. Thank you all of you.